So we're going to be doing a little bit of super gluing today. Now, in these uncertain times, it's very important to be as sensible as possible with money, to try and save money, not to spend unnecessarily. It's important to be independent and self-sufficient. And now it's never been more apparent how important this is. So if, for example, you have an item which is broken or is in need of repair, rather than just chucking it or recycling it or just taking it somewhere else and giving somebody else money to do it, you might as well try and do it yourself for the small amount of money it will cost you. Example in point, my training shoes. So I bought these from Sports Direct a couple of years ago. You know, they're a decent price, 40 odd quid. I like these Skechers. I always go back for these because I like the design of them. Now, what I find is the fact that the tops are always, you know, really good quality. They're really lovely and comfortable. They have this sort of a nice foam insert, which just wearing them straight away feels comfortable. But I do find that the soles wear out a little bit quicker than what I would hope for, and every now and again they do actually come away from the upper. So what I'm going to do, it's only in this area here, look, where we've got a problem. So I've just given it a little bit of a clean. The other shoe seems to be okay. And as I say, you know, the uppers are in lovely condition. The treads are starting to wear out a little bit, but you know, there's still enough on there to keep me from slipping over. So basically I've got some super glue. Now I've got the good stuff and some cheapo stuff. So this is the good stuff, Loctite, but I'm going to use that for something else, unless of course the cheap crap doesn't work. And I've got some little tubes of this stuff here, look. Now I think I got these from Wilko, so you get about 3 per pack, I think it is. You know, they only cost a couple of quid, so they're very good value for money. Yeah, you know, they're okay. I've used it in the past, it's not too bad, but clearly you wouldn't expect it. You wouldn't expect something so cheap to be as good as a well-known brand name with lots of advertising and nice compelling packaging to display it. But anyway, look, if this stuff doesn't work here, I'll be using that. So I'll just reset the camera. This is just a very quick video, just a little repair. Once I've actually done the repair, we'll come back to it in a day when the glue has set and just see if it's okay. I'll reset the camera and get back to you. Right, so I'm just going to give these a little bit of a clean. They actually do look clean, and they're dry as well. So what have we got here? Basically I'm just going to chuck a load of stuff in there. And the thing is, of course, with these as well, once you open these, they don't use them straight away. They just tend to seal up. So, Wilko super glue, is it any good or is it cheap crap? We shall soon find out, shan't we? So I'm just going to chuck a load in there, look. There you go, there's a right old wedge in there. In fact, that's really going to spill over, I think. I really ought to have had something to put on the desk. Let's have a look, shall we? Try not to stick my bloody finger to it. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see how this fares. It certainly looks as if it's gluing it together, but obviously until this thing cures, we won't know how successful it's been. But yeah, it certainly seems to be sticking the damn thing down. Now I did put virtually all of that glue in there, so you know, if it doesn't work, it's not for want of trying, is it? Yeah, that's definitely gluing it down, lot. There's no doubt about that. Hopefully that'll be alright, save me having to buy a new pair. Or like I say, I'll just use that, you know, the Loctite on there. That seems to be one of the more popular brands, which has a very good reputation for succeeding where others fail. Yeah, so look, that's it looks as if it's working alright, doesn't it, at the moment? So what we'll do then, we'll wait until that cures, we'll give it 24 hours, then I'll start wearing these, and then we'll come back and then just see how this glue fares. See whether or not it will stick almost anything immediately, whether or not it's any good, or indeed whether it's a piece of cheap crap. We'll see. Watch this space. I think what I'm going to do actually, you know, I think I'm going to just clamp this together. So let's just put that out of the way. Well, that looks a bit Heath Robinson, doesn't it? But if it works, I don't care, quite frankly. There we go, look, looks random, doesn't it? So, will the cheap Wilko's super glue work or not? We'll soon find out, won't we? Eh? Right guys, it's important that I film this. I've just finished doing the video for the repair on my shoe, and a bit of a bloody emergency going on here. I was just pottering, not thinking about what I was doing, and I had some super glue on my fingers, and I've actually glued my fingers to my bloody face. And this is one of these situations whereby you just got to be so careful doing what you're doing, and I can't get the damn thing off. So I'm not really quite sure. I'm going to have to go on the internet or get a team to do it, just work out how to get my finger off, because it's stuck to my bloody cheek. Can't get the damn thing off. The trouble is, if I pull it, it might just pull the skin off or rip me. Anyway, look, I'm sure there'll be something on there just to, but look, please be warned that you've got to be so careful when you're doing DIY stuff like that, you know. Thank God it wasn't near my eyes. I just can't get the damn stuff off. Only joking.